From the islands and swamps to the mountains and valleys, fishing, hiking, and everything in between, Inspiring Wilderness Adventures is a channel dedicated to inspiring wilderness adventures. Everyone has a picture in their head when they hear the words ghost town, especially from the Wild West. Dusty streets, empty and broken windows, crumbling and decaying buildings surrounded by a silence that feels heavier than it should. Most of us are at least a little bit curious about places like this, and not because they are spooky, but because they are paused, frozen mid-story. This is Bannack Ghost Town, one of the most perfectly preserved ghost towns in America. And walking through it does not feel like visiting ruins. It feels like the people just stepped out for a while. You want ghost town? It's about as preserved as it gets. All authentic.
Wow. While most gold is 80 to 95% pure, some of Bannack's gold was 99.5% as pure as refined gold.
Wow.
At various times, a general store, a state office, and was used as a school for a time when the regular school was in disrepair.
What a great tour. Oh, we still got a lot of the original supplies. The second brick courthouse in Montana?
Yep.
And then it was a hotel at some point because look, it says Hotel Meade up there.
Because of the railroad, Dillon became the economic center of the county and wanted to be the political center as well. Residents of Dillon petitioned the territorial legislator, who called for a special election to determine the location of the Beaverhead County seat. Residents of Bannack did not give up without a fight, but after a venomous battle, Dillon was chosen as the county seat by a vote of 665 to 495.
What a vote.
The large brick building remained empty until 1891 when it was purchased by Dr. John Singleton Meade for
There it is, Meade Hotel.
$1,250. He remodeled it and turned it into a plush hotel. It became the center of Bannack's social activity and temporary home of many Montanan travels.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Oh wow. It's pretty grandiose. Nice big rooms. Definitely worth the $1,250. That doll's not creepy. Big hotel in here. A lot of rooms.
Bannack's main street in the spring of 1863. Skinner and Henry Plummer had both served time in San Quentin Penitentiary in California. Skinner's became a popular gathering place for Henry Plummer's road agents. Although Skinner had left Bannack before the hanging of Plummer, he was tracked down in Hellgate and hanged for his alleged role as spy for the road agents.
Wow. Whiskey shots, 5 cents. 5 cents is a good deal. People have some good times in here. Bumping. Are those words on the wall? Yeah, they are. The Legend of Henry Plummer. Oh, goodness. I'm going to read it real fast and then spark notes it. It says, we'll never know the whole story. Wow. How weird is this? The version of the events that occurred here was taken from the book The Vigilantes of Montana. How weird is that?
Wow.
That wasn't even planned. That's weird. By Thomas Dimsdale. Dimsdale was the editor of the Montana Post. It says Henry Plummer was an enigma. Same thing as you said. He went to San Quentin. Yeah. I think it's pretty much what you summarized. I'm just going to read this little part. One evening when gambler George Banfield and miner Dick Sapp were playing poker, Banfield's love of winning got the best of him and he was discovered cheating. Both men emptied their pistols at each other inside the saloon, missing every single shot. Lol. Oh, they shot the dog. Bunch of idiots. I wonder if that's a Red Dead reference. The main guy in Red Dead is called Arthur.
Is there anything in there?
No, but I like it in there. There's just holes in the wall, but it's a house. Gotta be the church. And I command you in the name of the Lord. Had to be the church. The first floor is the schoolhouse, the second floor is the Masonic Lodge. Math problems, questions of the day. What year did Montana become a territory? What year did it become a state? 1889. May not marry during the term of your contract. May not keep company with men, must be home between the hours of 8 to 6 unless attending a school function, must not loiter, must keep the schoolhouse neat, can't smoke. You may not color your hair. That's if you were a teacher here. That's the ghost of Mrs. Applegate, still mad about not being able to color her hair. I haven't been on a merry-go-round in a while. Oh, I'll take this at my own risk. This is great. Well, that's pretty awesome. Go ahead, your turn. It's fun. Worth it. Ready? Visitor center is very nice. If you're a Montana resident, which we are currently, the entrance is free. Otherwise, it is $8 and very worth it. Very interesting history. Montana's first real gold settlement in 1864. Worth the visit, worth the exploration. Part of you wants to just take a time machine back. See what these buildings were like filled with people. Adios, Bannack.